Dear students, this is your Sonia ma'am. Hope you are all well and safe. You know that we are all passing very difficult time. As you know, we have been hit by pandemic caused by coronavirus, which is known as COVID-19. Not only our country, the whole world is fighting against this unseen enemy. But we have to keep faith and have to have firm belief that these days will pass. Because you know that humans have immense potentialities. When one door is closed, we search for other doors. People can know their real worth when they face challenges. See, all the teachers of your college, inspired by our principal sir, instructed by our Honorable DG sir, we have also found a way to remain attached to you. Though we are all physically apart, virtually we are with you. Hope our little effort will help you. Stay home and safe. Take care of your elderly members of the family. I am eagerly waiting to see all my beautiful students and their smile. Dear students, I will discuss preposition today, second grammatical item of your second paper syllabus. I know that you all know what preposition is because you have been taught this from very early classes of your school. Still, this is the tricky one. Why this is the tricky one? Because it is very difficult to learn to use preposition correctly. The reason, English prepositions have several functions, several different functions. At the same time, different prepositions can have similar uses. See, I have mentioned the definition of preposition. So what I have written, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands regard to something else. In a very short form, we can say that a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun. So, see here, preposition joins what? Noun to noun or pronoun, noun to adjective, and noun to verb. So, I believe that you have understood the definition of the preposition. Now I will go how many prepositions we can have. Okay. See, I have written kinds of preposition. Number 1, simple preposition. At, by, on, for, from, in, of, you know all these very simple preposition. I have written 2 example. I don't know whether you have a clear picture or not. There is a cow in the field. See, this in is preposition. He is fond of tea, of preposition. So these things are the example of simple preposition. Now see number 2. Compound prepositions. Compound. How is it formed? Generally performed by prefixing a preposition. We are adding a prefix. Usually A or B. Usually A or B. And we are prefixing a preposition with whom? To a noun, an adjective or an adverb. See the example. Along, across, along, across. See these be, behind, below, beneath, beside. So, simple preposition, compound prepositions. Number 3, phrase prepositions. What is phrase prepositions? Group of words used with the force of a single preposition. Group of words. Though it is group of words, still it is known as single preposition. Like, according to, like, because of. So these are the 3. Now I will go to number 4. See number 4, participle preposition. See, I have written some words. Bearing, considering, concerning, during, pending, notwithstanding, regarding, respecting, touching. See, every word has what? ing, which means these are present participle of verbs. But these present participle of verbs, these words used absolutely without any noun or pronoun being attached to them. That means what? These things are used as preposition, but it is not attaching any noun or pronoun. For all practical purposes, they have become preposition. Now see, again, bearing, considering, concerning, during, pending, notwithstanding, regarding, respecting, touching, present participle of verbs. All these are present participle of verbs used absolutely without any noun or pronoun being attached to them. For all practical purposes, they have become what? They have become prepositions. See, I have written two examples. You all know that the quality of my handwriting is very bad and the board is also very small. See what I have written. Concerning yesterday's fire, there are many remarks. See, this concerning has become what? Participle preposition. This means what? This means about. Concerning yesterday's fire. Number 2, example. Considering the quality, the price is not high. See, considering the quality. This considering means what? Taking into account. So this is number 4 and I will move to number 5. See, number 5, I haven't given any name. This is an important rule, very, very important rule which you will have to remember. See, several words are used as adverb and preposition. Same word which can be used as an adverb or as a preposition. So when preposition? A word is preposition when it governs a noun. When it governs a noun. And when it does not, it is an adverb. Very simple, very, very simple rule. Preposition when a word, when it governs a noun, and when it does not, we can say this is an adverb. See the example I have given, two different examples. Go and run about. Go and run about. This is an adverb because it is not governing any noun. Same word has become preposition. How? Don't loiter about the street. Now see second example. I could not come before. Adverb. Same word have become preposition. I came the day before yesterday. So this is number 5. You have to remember. Dear students, see I have drawn a diagram. In the beginning of my class, I have mentioned that preposition is very tricky. Why tricky? See this simple preposition in, on, at. This same preposition is used, can be used when we talk about time or when we talk about place. So I have drawn a diagram where it is shown how in, on and at used when we are talking about time. See in is used for non-specific times, which means that there is no specification. On and at used for specific times. This is a very simple diagram. You can draw it, you can keep it on your table. It will help you to remember, to get by heart. See at specific times. You see I have drawn a clock. Why? Because this clock has been drawn to make you understand that when we are talking about clock time, we will use at. 2:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m. At 4 o'clock. At night. Which means specific time. I will meet you at night. At noon. At sunrise. At dinner time. At breakfast time. So at is used for specific times. Then come on. On means days and dates. On is used for what? For days and dates. How? August 10th. 10th of August. তাহলে what? I will meet on 10th of August. On Christmas Day. On my birthday. On New Year's Day. Or on New Year's Eve. On 4th of July. On 1st January 2013. This is very, very specific time. On Tuesday. On Sunday. So see, on is used for what? For days and dates. Now, make it clear that on and at we use to make clear what? To make clear about specific times, and specific times. At is used for specific time means point of time, and on is used for what? Days and dates. Now see, in what I have written, non-specific times. That means what? No specification. It may be during a day, a month, a year, a season, a long period of time. See, August, name of a month. In August, in January, in 1947. Bangladesh was liberated in 1971. Season, in the spring or in spring, in the next century, in the past, in the future, in the 1980s, in 2009, in the night. So this is night, specific time, and this is in the night means during a day. Dear students, see, I have written this. I believe it firmly. I hope that you will also believe that these days will pass. Keep yourself busy in studies until and unless we are returning to our real classrooms. Our virtual effort will continue. Hope to meet you soon.